Good morning, guys. Here we go again. Going back to Brome. Already here. We're 5 minutes away. Launch time is at 7:20. It is now 4:40. I don't know if you've seen that, if that actually went on or not. 4:40. Returned to Brome where I got the kayak. It's another tournament. Let's go get this. Hopefully we actually do good today. Me and Jordan back at it, Team Brother Fishing. I probably should look for my tag so I can get into the campsite to get to the launch, saying that I actually washed my kayak. So it's in my wallet, I'm pretty sure. Probably can't see it, but got it. Anyways, I'm gonna wait for Jordan to be done here so we can proceed. It is actually kind of chillier today. My toes are frozen. I brought sandals. We are 1 minute away from the location. Unfortunately, too, I only brought a couple batteries because I thought I had more with me. So, might be a short video, might not be a short video. Stay tuned, you'll find out. Hopefully we catch some fish. And yeah, no matter what happens, there's going to be a video. I've had some comments asking me if I could actually post some videos where I actually have like fails and successes, which normally I just post videos where I actually catch something, but I guess some people want to learn my bad days, learn about my good days, trials and tribulations, you know. So it's going to be a good one. Stay tuned for that. So there's the launch, and then we're going to drive back all the other way to park. Gotta get the kayak off first. You get used to it after a while. Gentlemen. Hey, good day, Remy.
Good day.
You know what? At first I was a little disappointed that the kayak was so big whenever I won this last year. But it's not so bad to get it on and off. It's very nice. So I'm just gonna rig up, leave the kayak here, well, down there somewhere. Down there somewhere. I guess you couldn't really see that. I'm just talking to myself. And then we got to drive back and park the car. If you're curious about how I rig it up in a future video, leave a like and comment, and I'll get that done.
Yeah, jeez. Look at the guy, man. Light scope and everything.
Yeah, look at this guy right here. Who is this?
Oh, it's a wannabe old man who doesn't know how to fish that's here to kick your ass.
Alright, let's bring this down to the water. Oh, she's heavy. I'm squeaking. Such a nice morning. Go for a little walk. Do some exercises, you know, some lunges. Check out the new Old Town.
You got the new one?
Yeah, the 120 Pro. He's even got power pole.
So,
Yeah, even his water plug's different.
oh, I like that on the side.
I'm gonna turn this on. Get this in the water now. Just like that. Oh, not like that. Almost like that, but not like that. 7:13. 2 minutes. That's us? My pedals are squeaking. Oh, it's so much better than paddling. I can ride my bike with no handlebars. So Fish are in 10 feet. Interested. No. Making the switch. Gonna throw in a drop shot because there's all these fish, it seems, and nothing seems to be working for me. So we are gonna make the switch. Come here, come here. There's like 15 of them. Oh my God, no way. Bigger. Oh, look at that guy. So, judging from what I see on the graph, they're all staying in the 10-foot mark. Those are bass. Those gotta be bass. Oh no. Missed them. Gracias.
Gracias.
So the streak continues. I ended up catching my first fish without recording on my phone or my GoPro. Massive fail. But finally got the upgrade, or my own fish. Oh. Nope. Success! The smallest upgrade that we can get. No, a quarter. So I don't know if I have it on film or part of it. I know my battery died. I just lost the biggest bass of the day for me. Actually, I think for both me and Jordan, it was a monster. Let's go, finally. A decent one. Oh. Not the same size that I lost, but I'll take it. There we go. Finally got one fish on camera. That felt good. And then the last two fish I caught was an upgrade. So just like last year, Jordan has 3, I have 2. I finally did something for the team. I contributed. All right, so time is 12:30 almost. We have our 5 fish. We did so far a lot better than last year. We caught our 5 in record timing for this lake. We still have, what is it? 1, 2, about 2.5 hours to go. We're gonna go as far as we can that way and drift all the way back and fish this weed line. Weird, I just felt a little bit of a tug too. Good size?
So what's the smallest one again?
12 and a half.
12 and a half.
Oh, dude. Oh, dude, I need you to paddle forward. Oh, no, you're good, you're good.
Mr. Randy.
GoPro capture? Come on, buddy. Please at least be a bass. Stay low, bud. You ain't jumping. Oh, yes. Oh, come back this way. Oh. Yeah, let's go. Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh, yeah. Double up, me and Jordan.
On the craw?
Yeah.
Yeah, bud. That's definitely like a 19.
Good call on the craw.
While I'm measuring this one, I'll still get it. Because it could upgrade one of our smaller ones.
Well, I don't know what our small one is now, because like it was 12 and a half, but this one destroyed it.
Well, I'll see. That one can upgrade our bigger, another one. Yeah, I got a 13 and a half.
Take the picture. Might as well.
We'll upgrade our smallest one, and then the other one will get upgraded. Dude, I see that jump by my kayak. I'm looking at seeing my fish got out of my net bag. Nice one, dude. Yeah, that's gonna move my fish around.
Oh, yes. We're looking at almost 19.
That's what I'm saying. 19, at least 19.1 maybe?
19 right on. Shit, just shy.
18.3.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, I got a 13.
Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. I think I actually maneuvered it to get the 19. I think that was a good call to come up this way. I figured everyone's like fishing right there. No one came up here.
Yeah.
You can be free.
Holy fuck. I'm telling you, man.
What? Your catch has been okay.
What?
It said something in French on the app. I was like, what does this say? I'm on my last GoPro battery, so I'm going to try to save it. So I'm going to try to conserve my battery so I can save for some of the raffle prizes if I can. We'll see what happens. We are currently sitting in 23rd with 83 inches. So stay tuned. If one of us hits another fish within the 2 hours, I'll start recording again.
I could bring my car down here to load up my kayak. Bring my car down. Remember Sean?